Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the .bashrc file in Linux to make your terminal smarter, faster, and more personalized. Let's dive in. The bashrc is a hidden configuration file in your Linux home directory. It runs every time you open a new terminal session. Want to create aliases, custom functions, or set environment variables? This is where the magic happens. How to view and edit the bashrc? To view and edit the bashrc, use the command nano. You can open it using nano, vim, or any text editor. And you scroll down and you will see sections where aliases and environment variable are defined. So if I scroll down, you see where variable and alias. Now scroll down to the end. Let me type echo in quotation. This is a text. Control X, Y, enter. So if I open a new terminal, so this is how you can echo it. So I open the bashrc file with my nano, then I will still scroll down alias ls equals to ls -l color equals auto -l control x y enter to save. Then I'm going to open it with a new tab. It's going to do a long listing with color. I've opened a new window. Let me zoom it so that you can see it very well. Then I will do ls, then hit enter. Like I told you that it's going to do a long listing with color, and that's exactly what you see here. That's how you use .bashrc to level up your Linux game. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Linux and cybersecurity content. See you on the next one.